Tiga.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello guys, how your day? I hope you are in a healthy and happy state. In here, we would like to presentation about Fedora Linux. Before we start our presentation, I will introduce my group. Let's introduce us ourselves. My name is Franky Suhendra. My student number is 1911 to 931. And my friend is Pipin Ristriani. The student number is 1911 to 1699. Then Muhammad Fahmi At-Taqwa. The student number is 1911 to 597. Next, Wendy Lim. The student number is 1911 to 603. Then the last, Muhammad Bay Al-Ghozi. The student number is 1911 to 640. Before we go to this presentation, I will explain why we are here. We are here to complete the final assessment in English from University of Amikom Yogyakarta. Okay, no need to make small talk anymore. Let's start our presentation. Next, before entering the installation stage, I will give a glimpse of this Fedora Linux understanding. Fedora 25 is a Linux product, RPM-based and YAM developed by the Fedora project, supported by programming community and sponsored by Red Hat. The name Fedora comes from the Fedora character used in the Red Hat logo. Fedora used the RPM package manager, formerly known as the Red Hat Package Manager, abbreviated as RPM, and YAM application management. This RPM function as a tool in the installation verification, and software queries. Red Hat Enterprise Linux is the only official Red Hat distribution. While Fedora is a community distribution, for Red Hat, Fedora is Fedora project starting in late. When Red Hat Linux was stopped trying to product a stable Red Hat Enterprise Linux distribution, RHEL releases were developed from the Fedora version. The name Fedora comes from Fedora Linux and project volunteer who developed additional software for the Red Hat Linux distribution, and from the characteristic of the Fedora letterhead used in the Red Hat logo. Fedora Linux was finally absorbed to the Fedora project. Fedora is a trademark of Red Hat, although this was once disputed by the creators of the Fedora software repository, but the problem has been resolved. The development of Fedora is done openly and together so that anyone can participate in contributing to the development of Fedora in order to become even better. That's what makes Fedora can be distributed to anyone freely. The next Pipin will continue.
Here, I will explain the advantages and disadvantages of Fedora Linux software. Here, I will tell access Fedora Advanced. First, Fedora is used very widely and is popular among the people. Second, innovative and good desktop. Third, the level of security is good, that the package has Linux security and has Linux. 4. An interesting feature is inclusion of Xen package by default into Fedora core, and Xen allows multiple virtual computers to run on a single physical system. Now, I will tell access of Linux Fedora. First, it is not as stable as Debian or Slackware to a server. Second, Narisi on SUSE or Mandrake that map for desktop use. Third, Fedora is a general purpose distribution for multimedia plus by deployment of Windows Media Format, MP3 or DVD. The specifications used for Fedora Linux are also quite unique because even though they are open source, specification above average as the hardware required is a least core Intel 3 Generation 7, a minimum of 512 GB hard disk, but it is recommended to use SSD, and minimum of 8 GB RAM. Next will be continued by Ray.
Okay. Okay. Yes. Open to Oracle VM VirtualBox. Okay. Next, we will continue with Fedora software installation step. First, click New. Okay, click New. Click New. Then we fill in the name, the type, and the type of software you want to install. Okay, name Fedora 75. Okay, machine folder to locate C. Okay, select issue VM. Okay, the okay, just no name. Okay, set the folder. Okay, no. Select order C issue VM. Okay. Okay, finish the next. Okay. After creating the file, then the memory just to change for 40,000 because Fedora is heavy enough to run, and then the memory size must be large. Okay, next. Okay, and the hard disk shall has to create a virtual hard disk now. Okay, hard disk file type select VDA, virtual disk image. Stored on physical hard disk select dynamic allocated. Okay, nah. Here the size hard to drive to 10 gigabytes. Okay. Before starting installation Fedora, insert Fedora drive to storage and the set network is 1 to NAT. Okay. Click a setting, storage. Okay, the control EDA, MG. Okay, change to folder, change to this Ubuntu, Fedora server. Okay, network to select the NAT. Click OK. Finish to click start. Select start updates. Select to this issue Fedora server. Click OK, choose start. Okay, waiting for loading. First, in install view, click the word installation Fedora 75 to continue Fedora installation to stack. Next step. Click install Fedora. Okay. Waiting for loading. Here, later we must choose the language to be used. Select Indonesian language. Okay, continue. Okay. Finally, select to network, to the time and date, the change time to Jakarta. Okay, Jakarta down. And the final select a network and host name, the give host name and the continue installation and setting root password. Okay, host name. Okay, down. Okay, click installation to next step. In the user configuration step, we have to arrange the thing first, root password and make user name. Okay, select to password root, setting root password. Okay, root, okay, done. Waiting for loading. Okay, click host name, make username. OG ROOT. Okay, done. Okay, waiting for loading. Then installation complete, waiting for loading. Sorry, and the installation is quite long because it takes up a long storage to space. Okay, long term. The loading is was so very long. Okay, the finish the installation. Put ulang. Okay, click put again. Okay, waiting automatic and not automatic put in the 1 minute.
After the finish, running at the front open.
Automatic put in the 1 minute. The loading is very long. Sorry, guys. Okay, instalasi complete. Okay, waiting for checking to this. Okay, start switch boot. Okay, quit and boot again. Okay. Okay, select setting and store in the display in the system. Optical disk checklist hard disk up to okay start. Okay, installation the installation is complete and the Rhino program is ready. Okay, next will brother Fahmi.
Okay. Uh, Here I will continue how Fedora 25 works. Fedora 25 was developed by the Fedora project sponsored by Red Hat. Fedora itself is also open source, so that anyone can participate in contributing to the development of Fedora to be even better. That's what makes Fedora can be distributed to anyone freely and can be used by anyone for their daily needs. Then there are quite a lot of Fedora 25 functions. Fedora is one Linux distro where this distribution is composed of Office application packages, multimedia, games, internet, graphics, server. This makes Fedora very suitable for desktop, laptop, or server use. Next will be continued by Brother Benjamin. Next,
Okay, Wendy.
All is do not forget to care. Polinora Fedora 25. Because maintain is very important. So then Linux performs remains optimal and productivity as a Fedora care 25, which must be done. Which always have a routine for checking Fedora US with update and upgrade. Routine to update and update application. 3. Perform IDD or SSD training regular so then performs in maintenance. 4. Perform regular change cleaning. Then to prepare a partial before early diagnosis of damage to the prepare. Then determine the repair shape properly and recheck and function of the prepare to see the result of the improvement. Then make improvement. Connectivity is an action to repair or connect client computer with the network. Action then include in the installation and configuration of the device replaced. After the computer network was complete and put into operation, the next step is to perform maintain and control of the performance of the network. Because of the absence of regular maintenance and control can be no assurance, then the network will be able to run properly without regular maintenance. The damage or disturbance that is and make a call cannot be anticipated early, so then the handling of the disturbance then should have been mil, but because I was not done, then they become damage with my very detrimental. Okay, finish.
Okay, I think enough of all our presentation. Today we apologize if there are wrong words and lack in conveying our material. Hope you will get something from our presentation. The last side, thank you for giving us your presentation, your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you very much.